Hey, welcome to Runaway Homestead. I'm Perry. The reason I'm doing this voiceover is I lost a lot of video. Um, I've got a new phone, and anyhow, what I'm doing here on this project is I'm starting a greenhouse for Kim. I'm building these lower walls. They're, I think, 40 inches tall. As a family, we do so many things using the number 4. That was Kim's dad's favorite number, and we always incorporate that where we can, when we can. And so I'm building these lower walls. All the timbers or all the lumber was cut on the sawmill. The bottom plate is a true 2x4 cedar, and I will build 4 walls, and I've got sliding glass doors that came from our clubhouse at work. They took down the patio doors from the inner part of the clubhouse to an enclosed outer patio, and just to make it one big area. So I grabbed all the doors, knowing what I could do with them. So I will lay the doors on their side, and it will be about 13 feet long. And I will cover the outside of the lower panels. The very bottom will have a strip of metal. I might have some of that video. And then it'll have cedar siding from that point on up. So here's the 4 lower walls that I've got done. You can see the true 2x4 cedar that I have on there for the base. So I'm about ready to start cutting some cedar siding, but it also looks like there's rain coming, and I love working up here in the rain. You can see it on the hillside over there. And about to start hitting the roof any minute. You'll hear that. Hey, May. It start raining on you? Huh? Hey, okay, it's a beautiful morning. Sun's not all the way up yet. Feels great out, mid 60s, and show you some progress on the walls. Okay, here's one of the lower walls with the metal off the bottom, and the cedar I cut. There's 7 inches wide with a 1-inch overlap, and they have got galvanized nails at both the top and the bottom of the board. All the metal that I'm using along the bottom used to be across the front of my barn, and having a sawmill, there's my monkey, having the sawmill, I actually, the pine that's on the walls, I actually planted those trees probably 30 years ago at the golf course where I work. And LG&E, or excuse me, the gas and electric company came through clearing trees and said those had to go. So they cut them down. I brought them home, threw them on the saw, and now they're the front of my barn. Along this top edge, I'll put a piece of, looks like roughly 1x4 cedar along this top edge here, just as a trim board, and to stick out further than my siding, keep it drier. And in here I've got more cedar cut, more metal for the bottom. So this wall here is ready to go together. I'm going to show you what I do with some of the leftover scrap when I'm cutting boards like this. I'll cut these 1.5 by 5/8. I don't like to waste anything. So let's walk out back. And I make these fan trellises with the scrap. I saw this on YouTube channel by Matthew Peach. And if you like to build and make things, I highly recommend you go check out his channel. Here's a little cedar bench that I made. I got this piece and this piece from a buddy's sawmill, probably 15 years ago, before I had a sawmill. And I've just moved it around the shop, and I decided I needed to do something with it. So yeah, I just made like a little child cedar bench. And these are the anchors I will use to secure the greenhouse to the ground. I believe these are actually mobile home anchors. And I'm helping a guy do a liquidation sale at a farm store in Indiana, and happened to run across these and grabbed them while they were there. Well, my second wall is pretty much done. Got a few nails to put across the top and then move it outside. And I've got 2 boards there. That one's got a lot of wane in it. I probably can't use it. I try to keep full sections, full lengths if I can. And until I get another cedar log up there, I don't have any siding. I got a big walnut right there I got to cut up first. So I'm going to end this video for now. And then I'll bring you back for part 2, where I get that log up there and start getting it cut up into siding. This is a new phone for me, and sometimes, I'm not sure why yet, I haven't figured it out, but I get like a whitewashing, a really, really bright video out of it, and I don't really see it until I put it on the computer. Some of it I've seen on the phone, but other stuff, it's mainly when I'm outside. Walk out here. And see if it changes in this video from inside to out. It's another nice morning. I work in the sun every day, so I like a cloudy day. So anyhow, like I say, I'm gonna wrap this up. Thanks for going along with me on this, and go at life with the attitude of I can't wait to see what I'm gonna learn next. Thanks, guys.